Hello and welcome to my channel Pokecom Ultra. In this video, I'm going to discuss who is the best among the three forms of Lycanroc. That is Lycanroc Midnight form, Lycanroc Midday, and Lycanroc Dusk form. There will be 6 criteria according to which I will select the best Lycanroc. Criteria number 1, catch rates. Criteria number 2, convenient or the best to have. Criteria number 3, their stats. Criteria number 4, move pools. Criteria number 5, in games, I mean the performance of those Pokemons in games. Criteria number 6, their performance in anime. So let's begin. Criteria number 1, catch rates. Lycanroc Midday and Lycanroc Midnight form can be caught in Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Sun and Moon in the vast Pony Canyon with a catch rate of 90. But Dusk form Lycanroc cannot be caught. It needs to be evolved from a Tempo Rockruff, which I will discuss further. Both Lycanrocs are also available in Sword and Shield, Isle of Armor. That is Lycanroc Midnight and Midday form. They are available in the wild, above the stairs of the challenge road. They can be found in max raid battles too, but Dusk form Lycanroc has a lesser chance of appearing. Thus, Midday and Midnight form gets 1 point here. Criteria number 2, convenient or the best to have. Both Midnight and Midday Lycanroc are easy to get, but Dusk form Lycanroc is not so easy to be caught. I mean, you cannot catch this Pokemon, you need to get that Pokemon. In order to get Lycanroc Dusk form, you need to get a Rockruff from an event, that is a Tempo Rockruff. And that Rockruff needs to be evolved in between 5 pm to 5:59 pm, which is a hard task to be done. Thus, once again, Midday and Midnight form get 1 point. Criteria number 3, stats. Except for Midnight Lycanroc, Dusk form Lycanroc and Midday Lycanroc's base stats are almost same except for their speed and attack. Midnight Lycanroc on the other hand has low HP, low defense, low speed, low special defense, low special attack, but it has extremely high attack. Although their total is same, but Midnight Lycanroc's base stats are irregular. Thus for stats, I give 1 point to Midday and Dusk form Lycanroc. Criteria number 4, move pools. By level up, Midday Lycanroc learns 10 damage dealing moves, Midnight form Lycanroc learns 7 damage dealing moves, and Dusk form Lycanroc learns 11 damage dealing moves. Thereby, Dusk form Lycanroc knows more damage dealing moves than the other two Lycanrocs. But if we combine their TMs and TR moves, then the number of damage dealing moves become 25, 25 and 24 respectively. But after checking the variety of their moveset, I found out that Midnight Lycanroc knows a variety of dark type moves, including Foul Play, Snarl, Payback, etc. etc. It also knows fighting type moves like Close Combat and the elemental punches like Thunder Punch, Fire Punch, etc. etc. And some dragon type moves like Outrage, Dual Chop, etc. etc. After this, I decided to give 1 point to Midnight Lycanroc as it has a variety of move pools. Criteria number 5, their performance in games. For games, the main things that matter are stats, ability and level. If the level is kept same, then the only two things which will matter will be stats and abilities. Because of low speed, Midnight Lycanroc will not get the chance to attack first. Thus, if the speed is compared, then Midday form will get the first chance to attack. For attack, midday form will get the win as it has the highest speed among three of the Lycanrocs, and if it has high speed then it can utilize its attack. For HP, midnight form will get the win as it has the highest HP among the three Lycanrocs. For defense too, midnight form will get the win. For special attack as well as special defense, Lycanroc midnight form will get the win as the the special attack for all the Lycanrocs are same, but special defense for midnight form Lycanroc is higher. Thus, for stats, midnight form will get the win. For ability, 2 midnight form is the best as vital spirit is much more effective and more important as Sandstream can be avoided by leftovers, but avoiding sleep is a hard task to be done, and it can be avoided by two abilities only, which are Insomnia and Vital Spirit. Thus, Lycanroc Midnight form gets one more point here. Criteria number 6. Their performance in anime. Unlike games, there are many more factors that depend in anime, which includes battling skills, Pokédex entries, moves, their body structures, etc. etc. For anime, the actual battle is between Lycanroc Midnight and Lycanroc Midday form. Dusk form Lycanroc is mainly known for its rarity. Its stats and Pokédex entries does not make it very unique. Although Dusk form Lycanroc's performance was good, but it was because of Ash's battling skills and its hard training. Normally, this Lycanroc does not have something special in it. Both Midday and Midnight Lycanroc are great, but I think the winner is Midnight Lycanroc. Although it will not get a chance to attack first, but its move counter will counter back the attack. Thus, its low speed will not matter much for it. With Midnight form's attack, it can easily defeat Midday form, and having a human-like figure, Midnight form can use fighting type moves more effectively. Although Midday form Lycanroc can dodge an attack, but Midnight form can use Stealth Rock. Now, according to Pokédex entries, Stealth Rock is such an attack which is effective when a trainer switches its Pokémons. But apply common sense. If rock fragments are spread over the field, then whenever someone steps over that fragment, then that person or that thing might get hurt. So there is no requirement for switching the Pokemon. The Pokemon will as it is get hurt. Therefore, there is no way Midday form can dodge its attack. Although with its speed it can try to dodge, but with the Stealth Rock spread across the field, Midday Lycanroc will get hurt. So Midday Lycanroc has to stand idle at one position. And with a few close combats and some dark type attacks, Lycanroc Midnight form can easily defeat Lycanroc Midday form. Thus we have a winner who is Lycanroc Midnight form. So hope you have liked the video, and if you like this video then hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon for more of such content. And also don't forget to visit my Dailymotion channel, the link is given in the description. And I know I had promised that I would upload this video in Dailymotion, but for some reasons I'm uploading this video in both Dailymotion as well as YouTube. So hope you have liked the video, and see you next video which will come very soon, and that video will be on Zygarde. So bye.